Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Telegram account. Before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, search for Secure VPN. Now once you search for Secure VPN, you can see this particular one has over 100 million plus download over here. So download this particular one. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to update it to the latest version. Now once you have downloaded Secure VPN, go ahead and update your Secure VPN to the latest version. So open your Secure VPN and you can see connecting over here. So just click on connect and connect to this VPN. So you can see connected over here. Now once you are connected to this Secure VPN, go back and open your Play Store once again. Once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for Receive SMS Online. So download this Receive SMS Online application. So you can see this app over here. If you're already having it but not updated, make sure you update it to the latest version over here. So once you are done, just go ahead and open your Receive SMS Online. Once you open this application, just wait as it is loading over here. So you can see it is loading, so just wait. And you can see the numbers over here, so select the one that you prefer. In my case, I'll go for UK number. So select the number of your choice and click on copy. And you can see copied over here. Now in this case, go back and open your Telegram. Now once you open your Telegram, the most important thing is to select the country. Because we selected UK number, we need to select the country to be, the country is also supposed to be UK. So make sure you select UK number. So make sure you select UK number over here, because we are going to use UK number. Please, you need to make sure you enter or you select the country of the number you selected. If you select a different country, the number won't work for you. So you need to make sure the country and then the number match. They all match. So because we selected UK number, we need to select UK as a country here. Now once you are done, click on next and you can see, is this the correct number? And when you paste the number, you can see the +44 is already there. So you need to delete the one that is added already. So you can see the +44. Once you select the country, the +44 is already there. So UK. So you can see the +44 is already there. So when you paste it, you need to delete this 44 and click on next, and you can see, is this the correct number? Click on yes. And once you click on yes, the code will be sent to you here. So just click on refresh And once you click on refresh over here, you can see the code. Just use this code to create your unlimited Telegram account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.